Hello dear students, welcome to English class. Today let us start lesson number 4, The Blind Dog. It is written by R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan began his writing career with Swami and Friends. His book name was Swami and Friends in 1935. Most of his work, including Swami and Friends, is set in the fictional town of Malgudi, which capture everything Indian while having a unique identity of its own. So R.K. Narayan's writing style was marked by simplicity and humor, and he told stories of ordinary people trying to live their simple lives in a changing world. These are the content of his stories. R.K. Narayan is the writer. And see children, people love animals and keep them as pets. You all know that. Okay. We all love the animals and some people keep them as a pets. And we can take dogs as an example. Dogs are well fed. If you are keeping dogs as a pets, what we will do? We will keep them well fed. We will feed them well, bathed, groomed, and taken out for the walks and rides. And their masters get them good medical care. In the end, they are sometimes put to sleep to help them to escape the pinches of the death. And there are also some people who keeps animal to make them work for them, is it? And they feed them well to keep them strong. And for working purpose also they are keeping animals, pet animals, and they feed them well. Why means they wanted to keep them very strong. And children, have you heard about SPCA? Don't know. SPCA means the Society for Prevention of Cruelty to Animals. Stopping cruelty against the animals. That society is known as SPCA, the Society for Prevention of Cruelty to Animals. And according to that society, it says that we must not treat animals cruelly. And let us come to this story. In this story, some people help a poor mongrel to run away from its cruel master. But the poor things, mongrel means dog only. But the poor things comes to back to him and falls into his clutches again. That is the story. And in this story, one dog becomes a servant of his master, but his master was very cruel, and once you escaped from the master, but again this poor dog comes back to him and fall into his clutches again. That is the story of this lesson. Now let us see the summary of the lesson. The lesson, The Blind Dog, is a short narrative written by R.K. Narayan. Already we discussed that one. The story is about the faithful street dog and a blind beggar. This is a story between a blind beggar and a faithful dog, street dog. The writer describes how human beings treat animals and their incompassionate attitude towards animals. R.K. Narayan is an intrepid storyteller, and the story narrates the harrowing and considerate attitude of human beings towards the animals. How the human beings are not at all considering the animals and how they are treating them cruelly. This all is included in this story. Every living being is born free, but human nature tries to capture and bind animals for his own selfishness. See, in the earth, each and every living being having that freedom. But what the human beings are doing, sometimes they will capture the animals and they will make use for them for their selfishness. And see children, if you are seeing the title of the story, it can mislead the readers. How means here the dog is not the one who is a blind. Here blind dog heading is there, no? So it is not mean that the dog is blind, but it be friends a blind man. Blind literally means to be not able to see. This is what the writer actually wants to convey to his reader. The blind beggar could not see that animals like dog also need the freedom to live their own lives. So the dog is blind with his faithful towards his blind beggar. Thus here they are saying that the writer is saying that this dog is blind because the faithfulness towards his master, and it could not see how inconsiderate and incompassionate the blind man was. The dog is blinded by loyalty, and the blind man is blinded by his dependency on the dog when he takes it for granted and treats it like his slave. The blind dog illustrates the dilemma of the street dog between his own freedom, his loyalty to the blind man. And according to this writer, the blind dog, the title is not at all using to that is dog is a blind. Okay, that dog is blind faith the dog is having towards his master. That is the meaning of the heading blind dog. Title blind dog. See, in this story they are saying about a dog, but this dog was not a high class dog. It is a street dog, and it commonly we can see in everywhere, and its color is white and dust, and its tail was mutilated at a young age, and it was born on the streets and grew up feeding on the garbage of the marketplace. It was always feeding in the garbages of the marketplace. That is a street dog. The dog had spotty eyes and an unimpressive body, but he was short-tempered, and his body was scarred because of the numerous fights with the other dogs. His scratches are more in his body because it was always fighting with the other street dogs, and he looked rest under the culvert in the market during the afternoon. Culvert means that is a passage for waste water that passes under the road, and always he will took rest near the culvert. In the evening he spent his time loitering in the streets and fighting with other dogs and forage for food, and he spent his nights at the market. And this is the lifestyle of this dog. After 3 years, his life underwent a drastic change. One day, while it was sleeping at the marketplace, it was stirred by smell of food, and he saw a blind beggar eating his sparse meal. One day, this dog was sleeping in the marketplace, and he was smelled with some food. So he saw that one blind man is eating some food, and he approached the man with expectant eyes. He will get the food like that with expectancy. He went near to the blind man, and the man stroked it gently and threw a handful of food at it. And one handful of food he threw near to the dog. The dog ate the food gratefully, and thus their friendship was sealed. In this way, this dog became as a friend of the blind man. And I hope you all are understood this much part of our story. Next part we will discuss in next class. Thank you, students.